Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily crypto market update, and we will figure out what's going on with the crypto market world. Is it bull or bear market? Let's move to trading view. Trading view. Let's start from crypto heat map. Crypto heat map, it shows, it's flat and a lot of red. Nothing green, just few of them green. Generally, it's a flat and red. That's what we observe. Let's move to charts. Let's start from charts. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. You can easily and quickly learn. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I am using moving averages. White line it's SMA 200, yellow line is SMA 20, EMA 20, SMA 10 is red line, and green line SMA 5. Also buy and sell script indicator, MACD indicator, green line bullish, red line bearish, and white line signal line, yellow line it's a zero line between bullish and bearish territory. Heikanaichi and RSI line, yellow line, Heikanaichi green bars, bullish, red bars, bearish. That's all. Very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved, but if you are not going to use your emotions, if you trust your indicators and follow just indicators, indicators do not have emotions, you will be successful. Let's start from Bitcoin daily time frame. For swing trading, I'm using 4 hours and daily time frame for entry and exit position. Simple style: when bars MA5 and 10 and bars above 20 and 20 above 200, it is bullish trend. When bars MA5 and 10 and bars below 20, it is bearish. And additional, when 20 uptrend and bars above 20 is a bullish. When 20 downtrend and bars and MA5 and 10 below 20, it is bearish. That's simple. Okay, let's start daily time frame. 3 days ago we did try to do bullish crossover. Yesterday it changed its reverse direction, and it's still below all moving averages, still bar below 5, 10 and 20, still bearish trend, bearish reversal. MACD still red, Heikanaichi still red for Bitcoin on daily time frame. Bitcoin on daily time frame still bearish. And today, let me for the record, today is the May 18. I'm sorry, 8/19. May 19, Friday. 4 hours time frame, it's a bearish reversal. Like I mentioned, it was 2 days ago, we did move up. It did bullish crossover, buy signal. Yesterday it did sell signal and bearish crossover. Now all bars moved below 220, below all moving averages below 200 is bearish territory. MACD below zero, bearish territory, and red color, bearish trend. Heikanaichi red and RSI below zero line, and Heikanaichi, RSI below Heikanaichi, it is bearish trend on all indicators on 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame, same story. It was positive bullish about 200. Now all 20 below 200. It is bearish. Even it's a bearish territory, negative territory, but recently it did buy signal, bullish crossover from the deep sell-off. MA5 did MACD did bullish crossover green, Heikanaichi green, and RSI did bullish crossover. On 1 hour time frame, it is bullish, positive signal. On 4 hours and daily, it's a bearish. Bitcoin Cash. Let's start Bitcoin Cash on 1 hour. Similar story. It was very oversold. You see, it was disconnected from 20. What it did connected back to 20. Now it's a narrow state. It closed all moving averages together. It's a narrow state. It's a nice state when market can change direction to bullish or bearish. because 20 is above 200, it should go bullish. And MACD green bullish, Heikanaichi bullish. On 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin Cash is bullish, similar like Bitcoin. 4 hours time frame, it is bearish like Bitcoin. All moving averages below 200, MA 5, 10 and 20, I mean below 200, and last bar below 20, it is bearish trend. Bearish sell signal by the script, MACD red bearish, Heikanaichi red bearish, all indicators bearish on 4 hours time frame for Bitcoin Cash. Daily it did move up, it did bullish crossover. MA5 still above 10, but all moving averages below 200, it is bearish negative territory. Signal is positive, MACD still green, Heikanaichi still green, but bar moved below all moving averages. It is negative territory, but signal is positive. Yeah, be careful about bull run because it's negative territory, and I believe it will continue to go bearish. Daily time frame, it is neutral, I would say neutral flat. On daily time frame, it's flat for last several days, right? But the trend is down because you see 20 is downtrend, and all moving averages and MA5 and 10 and bars below 20. It means it is bearish trend, right? Even signal is positive. Okay, let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum daily, same like Bitcoin. It was trying to do bullish crossover, but MA5 did actually bullish crossover. But still, last bar below all moving averages, below 5, 10 and 20, bearish trend, and 20 downtrend. MACD still red, Heikanaichi still red. Still negative bearish trend. On 4 hours time frame, it is also bearish, especially same situation, same position like Bitcoin. MA5, 10 and 20 below 200, it is bearish territory, bearish location, sell signal by the script. MA20, red bearish, Heikanaichi, red bearish, bearish trend direction on 4 hours time frame also. 1 hour time frame, it should be bullish, it is bullish, it was nice sell-off, but it did bullish recovery, quick bullish reversal signal. MA5, the moving average is still below 200, still bearish, but it's trying to move about 200 back. MA5 did bullish crossover recently. MACD green bullish, Heikanaichi bullish, red green, and RSI did bullish crossover. It wants to go bullish, but still below 200. On 1 hour time frame, it's more positive. Let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum on 1 hour time, in the Ethereum Classic. On 1 hour time frame, it's also positive, and all moving averages about 200. It is positive location and positive location. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. The last bar is still below 5, 10 and 20 at 200. Looks like it wants to go bearish. It wants to close, it wants to move below 200. We'll see. It's kind of neutral, I would say, on 1 hour time frame, but at least in the positive territory. On 4 hours time frame, it is bearish. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. Last bar below all moving averages. MA200 downtrend, it is bearish, and it's a bearish territory. MACD red bearish, Heikanaichi bearish. All indicators bearish on 4 hours time frame for Ethereum Classic. Daily time frame, same bearish territory, MA5, 10 and 20 below 200, but MA5 did bullish crossover, buy signal by the script. MACD green, Heikanaichi green, just did bullish crossover, but remember it is still in the bearish territory, and below 20 it is technically bearish trend. Technically bearish trend. Even signal is positive. Let's move to ADA Cardano. ADA Cardano daily. Similar story. Not similar, different. Yeah. Negative story because all moving averages MA5 and 10, not all MA5 and 10 below 20. It is negative territory, right? And bars below 20 at 20 downtrend. It is bearish trend direction. Bearish trend direction, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, MACD green, RSI green. It is positive signal, but trend is bearish. It did touched 10 days ago, a few times it did touch 200, MA 200, and it did bounce from MA 200. But recently it touched also for 2 days, it touched 20, and it was rejected from the top. Because 20 now is resistant, 200 is support. That's why it's dancing between 20 and 200, and it's getting to narrow state. Narrow state. MACD, green bullish crossover, Heikanaichi green bullish. Positive signal, but position is bearish. 4 hours time frame for ADA Cardano, it is bearish, right? Sell signal by the script, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, and last bar below 20, below all moving averages. It is bearish territory, MA 200 downtrend, all moving averages below 200 is a bearish territory, bearish trend on all indicators on 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame, it wants to go bullish, but it's still bearish. You see, last couple times it did touch 200 several times. Look at it from this point. Each time it touched 200 on 1 hour time frame, it was bounced. 200, very strong support. And last time it did touch 200 and bounced also. Very strong support. But MA5 10 below 20. And 20 is downtrend, and bars and moving averages below 20. This sell signal, bearish trend. MACD still red, Heikanaichi green, below zero line. Still bearish signal for ADA Cardano on 1 hour time frame. That's all. Let's do summary. All crypto from my watch list. Kind of weak. They, like Bitcoin, still bearish on all time frames. Bearish trend, except 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, all crypto wants to go bullish, but they still in the bearish territory below 200, but they all kind of positive. All positive on 1 hour time frame, on 4 hours time frame, and daily they're still negative in the negative territory below 200. That's all update for crypto market. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.